Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Smart Hustle Media. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can get a free $50 no deposit bonus to trade. And I will also be showing you how to trade with this no deposit bonus and make withdrawable profit from it. Now don't skip any part of this video, because once you miss a step in this video, then you will not be able to get this bonus. Like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more updates, and you will be among the lucky people to benefit from that update I shared on this channel before the offer ends. And without taking much of your time, let's dive right in. To get your free $50 no deposit bonus, simply head over to this website using the link in the description box of this video. Now scroll down to see more details of this website and the type of market you will be trading with this bonus. As you can see right here on my screen, many people from around the world are making thousands and even millions of dollars from this broker. Watch this video to the end, because I will be showing you how you too can make passive income from this website, just like how others are doing right here. And when you continue scrolling up, you will see the products that are increasing in value and products that are decreasing in value. These products are also referred to as stocks. These stocks are what this broker offers to their clients to invest on. After a certain period of time, the client gets his or her profit or loss, depending on how the stock performed during the time of the investment. Now, a quick disclaimer before I proceed. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as financial advice. Trading stocks involves risk, and you should conduct your own research or consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decision. Past performance is not indicative of future results. With that out of the way, guys, let's proceed. When you continue scrolling up, guys, you will find some available stocks that you can invest on and make money from them. For example, when you invest $10 on NASDAQ Snowball 7, you will be getting 7% profit of your investment after 7 days. Another example is the Nikkei 225 Snowball 21. And when you invest $60 on this stock, you will be getting 18% profit of your investment after 21 days. And there are more than 50 stocks that you can invest on in this platform. You can find them when you log into this website. But what we are interested in is how to invest for free and be able to withdraw our profit. So to do that, click on this login or register button at the top of your screen. You will be redirected to the registration page of this website and be given a registration form to fill. One cool thing about this website is the fact that it's available in almost all countries in the world. So you can be from any of the listed countries and make money for yourself. Now select your country of residence, then type in your email address and password. And in the invitation code area, paste in my invitation code you are seeing on your screen. If you don't put in the invite code, then you won't be able to register. So just copy the code you are seeing on your screen and paste it in the invitation code area. Below it, you will see a verification code. Copy it and paste it in the verification code box beside it, for ticking the age confirmation box below and clicking the register button. Once successfully registered, you'll receive a success pop-up notification and be redirected to your dashboard. When you are on your dashboard, I want you to scroll up to your balance section. And as you can see right here on my screen, your cash balance, trial bonus balance, and income balance will all be set 0 once newly registered. When you continue scrolling up, you will find a $50 unavailable trial bonus you need to claim. And I'll be showing you how to claim this bonus in a couple of minutes. Now scroll back to the top, and on this section you will find different buttons you can use to navigate through this website, starting from the Overview button, My Holdings button, Trade Record button, Income Details button, Cash In or Out button, and finally the Bonus Center button. Now to activate your $50 no deposit bonus, all you have to do is click on this support icon right here. You'll be redirected to Telegram, where you have to chat one of their support team to help you activate the bonus. Once activated, go back to your dashboard, and your trial bonus balance and income balance will be credited with $50. And as you can see right here on my screen, I've gotten my $50 bonus. The next step is to invest with this bonus and earn withdrawable profit from it. Now, to invest this free bonus, I want you to click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. next step is to find the products button and click on it. Give it some time to redirect you to the products page. Now, on this page, you will see many available stocks that you can invest on using the free bonus given to you. For example, they have the 𝗙𝐶 100 Snowball 3. And when you invest $10 on this particular stock, then you will be getting 4% profit after 3 business days of the investment. Another stock they offer is the S&P 500 Snowball 21. And when you invest $60 on the stock, then you will be getting 18% profit yield after 21 business days of the investment. And like I said earlier, this website offers more than 50 stocks that you can invest on using this bonus and earn free withdrawable profit. And if you don't want to invest on these stocks right here, maybe you are looking for more options, then feel free to click on this arrow button to reveal more offers for you. On the next page, you will see a list of other stocks that are available to invest on. And these stocks have higher yield percentage than the previous ones, but comes with longer investment days. I will be investing the $50 bonus on the AEX Snowball 7 because it has high investment yield percentage and a minimum of $10 to start with. If you also want to invest your bonus on this particular stock, then you can simply click on the Buy Now button below. You will be redirected to a page where you will see a more detailed information about the stock you are about to invest on. But I don't want you to get confused. So scroll down and you will see a box that you are required to put in the amount you would like to invest. I would be investing the free $50 given to me and would make a video of the withdrawal from this platform when the investment days ends. So subscribe to this channel to stay updated. After putting the amount you would like to invest, tick the box below that says Trial Funds to select the $50 bonus. Then scroll down and click the blue Buy Now button to submit your order and activate your investment. As you can see right here on my screen, I just received a notification that my order was successfully created. Now go back to your dashboard, scroll down, and you will see that the $50 has been deducted from your balance. When you continue scrolling up, you will see that you are now holding a product. And if you look below it, you will see the expected income you will receive, which in my case, I will be receiving $3.47 after 7 business days of this investment. Now, let me go over to my holdings page to view the details of the product I invested on. As you can see on my screen, it still shows that I'm currently holding a product, and I will be getting about $3.47 after 7 days. And when you continue scrolling down, you will find more details of your investment. But I don't want to take much of your time. You can just register using my invitation code and just claim your $50 bonus by chatting the support team. As you can see right here, guys, I asked one of the support team if the profit from the bonus can be withdrawn, and she said yes. So go ahead and sign up on this platform before the bonus ends. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find this information helpful. If you love the information I shared with you, then like this video and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell icon to keep you updated when I upload new informative videos like this one. And with all that said, guys, see you on my next upload.